Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Dodge Charger key fob. First, make sure you have all the key fobs you want to program ready. It's also a good idea to check that your car's battery is in good condition. For the most accurate instructions, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual, as steps can vary slightly by model. To begin, get into the driver's seat and close all the doors. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, take an existing, working key fob and press and hold its unlock button. Keep holding it down as we move to the next step. While still holding the unlock button on the existing fob, release it and then press the lock button within 10 seconds. Next, take your new, unprogrammed key fob. Press its unlock button within 10 seconds. You should hear a chime or see a light flash. Repeat this step for any other new fobs you wish to program. Once all your key fobs are programmed, turn the ignition key to the OFF position. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, it's time to test each key fob. Walk around your Dodge Charger and verify that the lock, unlock, and any other buttons, like the trunk release, are working perfectly. Enjoy your newly connected key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.